Introduction. Asterisk. Welcome to our video review of the top 10 best smart gardening devices that will revolutionize your gardening experience. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie with a green thumb, these devices are designed to simplify your gardening tasks, enhance plant growth, and save you time. Let's dive into each product, exploring their features, pros, and cons to help you make an informed decision. Number 1. Smart Mudwork Gardening Glove Orange, Medium. These gloves are not just any gardening gloves, they are smartly designed to be durable, comfortable, and smart device ready. Made for the modern gardener, they protect your hands while allowing you to use touchscreen devices without taking them off. Pros. Asterisk. Touchscreen compatible, durable construction, comfortable fit for long use. Cons. Asterisk. Only available in medium size. Limited color options. Number 2. SafetyWorks Smart Mud, Small, Eggplant. A perfect blend of functionality and style. These gloves are designed for those who love gardening but hate the mess. With a smart design that includes a snug fit and durable material, these gloves keep your hands clean and safe. Pros. Asterisk. Stylish design, snug and comfortable fit, protects against mud and moisture. Cons. Asterisk. Available only in small size. Eggplant color may not appeal to everyone. Number 3. NB Water Timer for Garden. This automatic watering timer ensures your garden gets the right amount of water without any hassle. It's smart, easy to use, and can be programmed to water your plants even when you're not around. Pros. Asterisk. Easy to program, saves water by efficient scheduling, automatic operation reduces manual work. Cons. Asterisk. Requires initial setup, batteries not included. Number 4. Orbit BHYVE Smart Hose Faucet Timer with Wi-Fi Hub. This device takes watering to the next level with Wi-Fi connectivity and smart controls. You can schedule watering, monitor usage, and even control it via Alexa, making your garden maintenance effortless and efficient. Pros. Asterisk. Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control. Compatible with Alexa for voice commands. Monitors water usage to save water. Cons. Asterisk. Requires Wi-Fi connection. Higher price point than manual timers. Number 5. Fiskars Long-Handled Grass Shears. Designed for precision and ease, these long-handled shears make cutting grass around garden beds and edges simple. The 360-degree swivel blade and long handle design reduce bending and backstrain. Pros. Asterisk. Reduces physical strain with long handles. Precision cutting with 360-degree swivel blades. Durable and reliable brand. Cons. Asterisk. Bulky to store. Not suitable for large lawns. Number 6. Agrestem Hydroponics Growing System 12 Pods. The Agrestem Hydroponics Growing System is a state-of-the-art indoor garden that allows you to grow up to 12 plants simultaneously, regardless of the weather outside. It's an ideal choice for those looking to dive into hydroponics, with a silent pump system and an automatic timer for hassle-free gardening. Pros. Allows for year-round gardening indoors with up to 12 plants. Adjustable lighting and silent pump system cater to plant needs without noise disruption. Cons. The cost might be higher than starting a traditional garden. Requires some knowledge of hydroponics for optimal setup and use. Number 7. Orbit Mist Spray Nozzle with Adjustable Flow, 5-pack. Orbit Mist Spray Nozzles come in a pack of 5. Designed to provide a gentle mist for your plants, ideal for seedlings and delicate flowers. These nozzles can be adjusted to control the flow rate, making them versatile for various gardening needs. Pros. Adjustable flow rate allows for customized watering settings. Easy installation on standard garden hoses for immediate use. Gentle misting is perfect for delicate plants and seedlings. Cons. May require regular maintenance to prevent clogging. Limited to misting. Not suitable for heavy watering or larger plants. Number 8. Bond Gardening Twist Tie Spool with Cutter. The Bond Gardening Twist Tie Spool with Cutter is an essential tool for any gardener looking to provide support and shape to their plants. This 160-foot spool comes with a built-in cutter for easy use, allowing you to cut ties to any length. The ties are durable and green, blending seamlessly with your garden while offering the flexibility to support growing plants or organize garden tools. Pros. Long spool length offers ample material for various gardening tasks. Built-in cutter enhances convenience and ease of use. Flexible and durable material is gentle on plants. Cons. Ties may not be strong enough for supporting larger, heavier plants. Green color, while blending with foliage, can be hard to find if dropped in the garden. Number 9. Eden Bluetooth Smart Water Timer. The Eden Bluetooth Smart Water Timer brings convenience and efficiency to your garden watering routine. Compatible with a wireless soil moisture sensor, not included. This timer allows you to tailor watering schedules precisely to your plant's needs through a user-friendly app. It's perfect for gardeners who want to optimize water use and ensure their garden thrives without the guesswork. Pros. Bluetooth connectivity for easy programming and monitoring via smartphone. Soil moisture sensor compatibility for precise watering. Helps conserve water by applying it only when needed. Cons. Soil moisture sensor sold separately, requiring an additional purchase. May have a learning curve for users new to smart gardening technology. Number 10. Dahlon Inflatable Snake, Bird and Pest Deterrent. Dahlon's inflatable snake is an innovative and humane solution to deter birds and pests from your garden. At 6 feet long, this realistic-looking snake can be placed among plants to scare away birds, rabbits, and other garden invaders without harming them. It's a simple, chemical-free way to protect your crops and flowers from unwanted visitors. Pros. Humane deterrent for birds and pests without using harmful substances. Easy to move and place anywhere in the garden. Durable material for long-lasting outdoor use. Cons. Effectiveness may diminish over time as pests become accustomed to it. Requires regular repositioning to maintain its deterrent effect. Each of these smart gardening devices offers unique benefits to enhance your gardening experience. Whether you're looking to automate watering, protect your plants, or support their growth efficiently. By considering the pros and cons, gardeners can select the tools that best meet their needs and preferences, ultimately creating a more productive and enjoyable garden.